for me, you know what? Me don't know, hey, I couldn't be the woman that talk for truth. That no clad sense. You look like she use me as example, car. That no make no lady. I mean, my own blood. You hear that? Just have a face still like Obeah. And I got my chest and Obeah in. You hear that? On a take no set for me. It's rude. On the mean and I mean the woman attack. Then I mind name this woman call. May I hear that? Oh no listen. And I mind name this. They can't change one act before the pay people. They're not telling about job not done. Job not done. What kind of job not done? You know, tell me say the man they come. It take time before the man married to you. Eh? Until they come, not true. Not true. Boy, take your time and know what to do. The only man for the man married to you. Send me blood clot money come. That you fi do. You want too long. You want spiritual people too long. Big pussy blood clot woman like how Anna my pussy become Obeah my dirty blood clot like how me you do spiritual work for me. I could have never the Queenie here. I could have never me I could have never me you know from last week me had them attack all who so them I gonna take calm down Queenie. My vex so me I go cry so me stay. My vex what's me can't catch a woman I mean I know a woman there. I'ma just get the video just like 10 minutes ago. From last week, me hear them I say, oh, Bush, I'm at the live, I say, he might take up collection for me. And me I say, but that is rude. I'm a tight Dewey. And me I say, you know, I'm not stem into that because either way with a joke or fun, it's rude. If people know me as cantankerous, me is not somebody who get up and humiliate people feelings and talk things about people unless people fuck with me. No. I didn't put no word to it every time you say them up alive. I said things about me. I said, I'm not looking at call. How inappropriate that is. But the woman called me name. Lady, how much time you think you can go up on TikTok and call my name and think you're going to get lion and call? The whole on a war over TikTok and kill off on a blood clot one another over world war. Lion, who get universe, who get planet, who get Jupiter. I'm not draw me on a pala come and sell my blood clot soul. You hear that? Me is not a soul seller. Me have one buckle of olive oil for my pies of face so I have and my husband my beg bite. And my mother my beg anointed. Because I don't believe in her. No woman more than my mother. No woman. No matter how spiritual them is and my mother me believe in her. So how come me owe you for Obeah money now? Me owe you for money lady. What you say? I not even understand what the woman just said, but it just show you how people disturb. You think me have blood clot spice and RT boss? You think no can fabricate no story from no Obeah blood clot story come talk about my Banner Center. My Banner Center is pure and fresh. And that's why I'm terrible and awful so come I believe in God. And when I did that hospital last week, and the doctor them want to cut my face and me a fret. And God come myself in chest and Obeah, then a blood clot who never did it. Dirty woman. Scrap back come sniff out my friends a blood clot arm. And then I call my blood clot name upon an iniquity. You hear that? On in the blood clot quit to worker. She in a bathroom. Where you at? Come get it. On a blood clot in the quit to worker. And don't draw me on a dirty blood clot as cantankerous as is me is. Him give me 5 days event. How much change him forget? The 20 something and let's go. $70. So that is 50. And it never oh yes, it's right, I find it. On a road man. Instagram. Well you're not here with me. Me okay, me just a cry express myself. I'm good.
You find $50?
Me give him the hard $50 and one $10 and $2 $5. I know the money them. On the outside, this woman is out of her and not look no clout off of me and a fucking lion off of me. But no, be on your own filthy, dirty blood clot self like how me filthy and dirty. When me talk run terrible and talk about me. Me not suck on a blood clot. I eyeball like on a suck out fish eye. Fucking root stinking germs bag woman. I call my blood clot name. But for pay you what? Me not walk Obeah woman. Me not walk blood clot Obeah. Whether you want believe it yes or no. Me not walk blood clot Obeah. Me not like none of blood clot you know. You hear that? I'm scared of blood clot you know. When me come last year, 2 years ago, Queen calm down, the Queen, but vexing about. Hey, internet is not a real blood clot place. Cause woman in there, I'm catching them, I'm stepping on your blood clot. I do it for me. I ask you something. I do it that I send for me come to England. I do it, do it, sing my song, I say everywhere them go, them a shout out Queenie. So I who for tie who? I want to know man, and come out from a blood clot name now man. Give me a break, stick some blood clot pin now man. Get a hold of phone yourself, I know no word and no valley. Stop cat. Nobody not tell me blood clot, calm down. I want to know. You know, for last week, the other back chat, I now look. Somebody just sent it to my WhatsApp. Me not browse I hear nothing, you know. Me just see it for myself. I say, wait, that woman is really out of there. Lady, if I may want to help build your blood clot house, darling, it not gonna work, baby girl. You hear that? You look like Obeah yourself. But when you're spiritual people, I couldn't me attack, woman. When my daughter dead, when I come from Jamaica 2 years ago, October the 5th, and my daughter got dead tomorrow morning, me talk it all a while. The man will come from Jamaica was same name professor upon the phone. As low and shoot me and him have shoot up on the blood clot phone cause me is a stubborn jackass and God me believe in her. How do I understand how I work out, sir? Me work blood clot over now. I do it for her. I also land and blood clot here do it for me. Hello? My husband married to me natural blood clot lay. Me not understand. I wish yet a remote gate how much property him have for me to do it on a stinker out of that. Fame me on a think, I saw no let it out. How me reach the tie do it? How? Time how? Fame cocky? For what? Me not understand what me a time my husband for. Me not understand when me appear you and every minute do it disrespect me. Do it go about in business, do it fuck how much in girl, chat me with girls. So what me time for? Me ask you now. Me not understand my time when me owe you. Wait, when me owe you for you time my husband for my husband disrespect me every 3 weeks, every 2 weeks is another drama. Drama on top of blood clot drama. Me not see nobody a this him for me. I mean not see nobody a say him now. Me no want him. So me not understand. Oh, me or you. You know, me wake up this morning, me and my mom from 1 o'clock around there. And me and my mommy have tea. We go back to sleep. And me so peaceful, you know. Me no know, me never pray this morning. And me see them send me the video. Me I said, no man, this a text set man. Me want ask you know. I want me to tell your friend do it for when I owe you for darling. Or maybe you want to do it for be your husband. Because I don't understand that. I don't understand the time part. My last. That's why I have to come live. Because I say, I don't know if it's a blood clot dream, you know. I want to sit down, cock up on a clot and think you can't shame me and devalue me. None of blood clot you can't devalue blood clot me. God make me who me is. You hear that? And iniquity in my blood clot game. And me could owe blood clot your woman. I want to your woman, my kind and girl me not have. Girl, my kind and girl me not have. Me girl my last. So me to walk your Obeah and take your Obeah woman, you'd get all extra and blood that says the wrong Queenie attack. I could have blood clot me. Me not pay Owens girl. Get a all of your blood clot self. You think you're going to chat me on TikTok and get lion and chat shit about me? Me not dead girl. Me alive to defend my blood clot self. Me and a Rochelle. So me I ask you. When do you give me nephew 30,000 Jamaican dollar? That's a 150,000. How much more owe you dirty blood clot for Obeah? Yeah, walk over for me spiritual woman. Me and a RT blood clot boss. You hear that? Don't blood clot try for me woman. A wrong blood clot celebrity I pick for me. You hear that? Don't try that little Obeah something there with me. You hear that? Wrong blood clot. I not even know this curm bag woman name. You say you look like sin. You say you look like Obeah yourself. Don't try that fuck woman. As me say, me give my nephew 30,000 Jamaican dollars. So how me wear your fifth or how me wear you for Obeah? And me I walk and give you my own. Me not should have pay you the Obeah woman to keep you sweet, the spiritual woman. Though that's why no one can't chat to me because the whole on come blood clot fake, you know. You hear that? Don't try this at the wrong queen or the wrong woman and not try ramp with. You hear that? As much as my born a blood clot center mass, none of them can come to me with no Obeah. I'm too powerful and terrible. You think I can blood clot war for man and cuss the blood clot man with my Obeah?